Assalamualaikum grade 10 students. As we studied in our previous topic about Afghan Jihad and its impact upon Pakistan, so our next topic is Muhammad Khan Junejo government from 1985 to 88. So in this next topic we will study about the government of Khan Junejo of 1985 to 88 as well as its restoration of democracy 1988 to 99. So going to start our topic. After becoming the president through referendum, Ziaul Haq announced general elections on non-party basis. On 12th and 25th January 1985 elections were held. On 10th March 1985 President Zia partially restored the Constitution of 1973 and through consultation with the Member of Parliament nominated Muhammad Khan Junejo as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Mr. Junejo, after taking over the government, had issued a statement that democracy and martial law cannot go hand in hand. Therefore, martial law will be lifted soon. He fulfilled his promises of lifting the martial law. Later, Junejo presented the following 5 points agenda. First point: establishment of a strong Islamic democratic state system based on the ideology of Pakistan. Second point: elimination of unemployment and establishment of an equitable economic system. Third one: elimination of literacy and laying the foundation of the country on the modern scientific basis. Fourth one: elimination of bribery and corruption so as to dispense justice and provide security to people. The fifth and last point is safeguarding sovereignty and stability of the state with a balanced foreign policy. These were the points of Muhammad Khan Junejo when he came into power as a Prime Minister of Pakistan in 1985. After the 1985 election, during Junejo government, Parliament passed 8th amendment in the Constitution. This amendment delegated the powers of dismissal of the government and dissolution of the Parliament to the President of the country. In 1985, the General Geneva talks on Afghan issue entered in a critical phase, over which President General Ziaul Haq was not satisfied. Some other differences had also merged between the two leaders. Ultimately, on 30th May 1988, President Ziaul Haq dismissed Junejo government by exercising his power under the 8th Amendment. On 17 August 1988, while flying back from Bahawalpur to Islamabad, Ziaul Haq died in a plane crash. Mr. Ghulam Ishaq announced election to be held in the next 90 days and took oath as a president of the country. So this was the government period of Khan Junejo from 1985 to 88. In my next video I will explain you about the restoration of democracy from 1988 to 1999. Till that, stay at home, stay safe, save lives. Thank you very much.